guys, welcome to Pokemon Go botting. This is a new channel and it will mainly just rely on Pokemon Go bots, and I will share with you guys some of the good Pokemon Go bots. I'll do a top 10 sometime. But today I'm gonna show you my the currently bot I'm using. And the bot I'm using right now is it's a Necrobot. I'm currently having it on a server computer running 30 bots right now. So yeah, this is the one I'm using. So to get this bot, click the link in the description. It will take you to this site. It just came with this new update like 2 hours ago. But when you get in here, you need to press on the downloads and the release 0.6.1.zip, and then the file will begin downloading. Once you get the file, just drag it to a desktop, open it up. Or you can just start by making a new folder on your desktop, call it Pokemon Go. No, not just Pokemon Go. Pokemon Go bot. And once you've done that, drag the release inside the WinRAR file into the folder you just made it on in your desktop. Then you open the file, the folder, and you go under release, and you see a lot of files in here. It might be a bit confusing, but trust me, it's not. Once you're in here, you open the bot for the first time. You double click on Necrobot. It will tell you it's a virus, but it's really not. It's just because under the program it doesn't tell you who made the program. There's no name in there, so they might think it's a virus, but trust me, it's not. So you just click run. Once you click run, this will pop up. This is your first start, and the bot is generated the default config. Press a key to continue. Just press space or just any key. Once you've done that, you go under config, and you see 2 files right here. The first file is alf, and the other file is config. Config is for like editing your bot. You can pretty much edit everything about your bot in here. But alf is the most important one. To open this one, you can right click, press properties, and then change the program that it needs to open with. You can change that to no block, but the easiest way to download Notepad++. So just right click and press edit with Notepad++. Once you get in here, you need to type your login information. If you use the Pokemon Trainer Club, you need to fill the PTC and PTC username and PTC password, and you need to change the top one to PTC. But right now we're using Google, so we're gonna let's stay as it is, and then we're gonna type our Google mail right here. So I'm just gonna type loco. This is actually not my mail, guys, but I'm just demonstrating. Let's say my password is and when you're done that, remember you need to have all of these symbols at the end. Don't delete those. Once you've done that, you press save and you close it. Now to the funny part. Under this one we had the config. When we go in the config, there's a lot of things we can change. We have the translation language code, which is currently set to English. I'm not gonna edit that one. And there's a lot of different stuff. The first thing, and what I'm gonna recommend you guys to change to catch more Pokemons, is walking speed in kilometers per hour. It's currently set to 31 kilometers per hour, but I'm gonna change that to 50. And yeah. Also, if you go down here, you see the max travel distance in meters. It's currently set to 1000. I'm gonna change that to 5000. Yeah. So yeah, go take a look at this config yourself. I have a custom config variable that I'm using. I'm getting around 100k XP hour. That config will also be in the link. There will also be a link in the description for that config. But once you did it, your config, you just like hit up here and you hit save. You close it down. You go back and you run your bot. Now, right now, I cannot run my bot because I haven't typed the right information in the auth. But if you have written your the correct information and you start the bot, it will automatically start up. So yeah, guys, that was the Necrobot, and subscribe if you want to see more bots in the future, and yeah, stay tuned.